When you're just starting to use library databases to find information, the All Resources search box on the library homepage is a good place to start because it simplifies the search process. However, most databases don't work the same way the All Resources search does, and there are reasons you may want to use those other databases. For one, All Resources searches approximately 60 different databases, which can give you an overwhelming number of results, many of which may not be useful to you. Most other databases are subject specific, that is, they contain materials relevant to a particular field or content area. Therefore, they are likely to give you far fewer, yet more relevant results. With our question of how does a teacher's race impact student success, an education database would be the best place to find information. To find the best database for education, we can click on the Find Databases button on the home page. We can then select the All Subjects drop-down menu, and from here, choose Education. The first one listed and your best bet is Eric.
We might be tempted to search for impact of teacher's race on student success. However, many subject-specific databases will look for all of those words right next to each other. While that may occur in a few articles, it probably won't show up in many. In this case, it didn't find any at all, so it changed our search for us and gave us 10,930 results. To do a better search in a subject-specific database like ERIC, you need to think more about the terms you use in your search and combine them in specific ways. The most common way to combine terms is to use the word AND. The database will not search for the word AND. Instead, it recognizes it as a signal that tells it how to search for your terms. The word AND tells the database that your terms don't need to be right next to each other, and also that they must all be included in the results that you get. So now, if we choose the most important keywords from our topic and do a search for teacher and race and student success, we get 182 results instead of the over 10,000 we had before. Every result now includes all of the terms we entered. So let's take a look at our results. Just looking at the title of the article often doesn't give you enough information. To get more information, you can click on a title. As stated before, using the word AND means that all the words we used must show up in the information about the article. Most databases will helpfully highlight your terms wherever they appear. This might be in the title, the descriptors, sometimes called subjects, the abstract, and so on. Looking at this information can help you determine how relevant the resource is to your topic. In addition, looking at the descriptors, often called subjects in other databases, will give you other ideas of keywords to use in your search. You will usually need to do more than one search to get the results you need, and these terms are a great way to figure out what your next search might be.